In this video I will show you how to select one or multiple pieces. I will show it for the functions move piece, copy piece, and delete piece. First, let us look at the function move piece. Click on the function. Alternatively, you can use the hotkey S. If you want to move a single piece, click one element of that piece with the left mouse button. As you can see, the piece is connected to your cursor. Find a new position and confirm the position with a left click. Use the magnetism and click on data points if you need to be precise, for example if you want to superpose two pieces. If you want to move multiple pieces, select the pieces to be moved with the right mouse button. The pieces you have selected are displayed differently. You have to confirm your selection with the left mouse button. All of the collected pieces are connected to your cursor and you can move them. Click with the left mouse button in order to confirm the new position. You can also use the middle mouse button for the multi-selection. Begin to draw a frame containing the pieces to be moved by using the middle button. Enclose the pieces whole or partially and click the middle mouse button again to confirm the frame. Click with the left mouse button. The selected pieces are connected to your cursor. Click with the left mouse button at the position where the pieces are to be moved. This selection with the middle mouse button is very advantageous. I show you one particular feature. After drawing the rectangle with the middle mouse button for the selection of multiple pieces, you have the possibility to deselect pieces or to select additional pieces with the right mouse button as long as the pieces are selected. Once you are satisfied with the selection, click with the left mouse button to confirm. If you have not enough free space in your working area, you can also zoom. Move piece is a main function and zoom is a supplementary function, so you can use both together. You can find a new position and confirm with the left mouse button. The selection of pieces for the function copy piece is the same. Select the function copy piece in the menu area or use the hotkey K. In order to copy a single piece, highlight one element of that piece and click with the left mouse button. The duplicated piece moves with the cursor and you can move the copy anywhere you like. Click with the left mouse button where the copy is to be placed. You can select multiple pieces with the right mouse button and confirm with the left. You can also select multiple pieces by drawing a frame starting with the middle mouse button, middle again and left to confirm. The way to select pieces for the function delete piece is similar. Select the function delete piece in the menu area or use the hotkey Ctrl-O. If you want to delete one piece, use the left mouse button. To select multiple pieces, use the right mouse button. Or draw a frame containing the pieces to be deleted with the middle mouse button. Looking at the dialog box at the bottom of the screen, you can see left, right, middle written in it. If this prompt is displayed, the active function supports this method of selecting your pieces.